Alrighty. I've had a few people message me and ask what was the go with the 066 red light I've been running. It's a bit dusty. It's sitting on the shelf for a little bit. Anyway, this is one of the first 066 red lights I've ever had. It's probably the best condition. It's got a little bit of paint flake. I put a couple of hours on the bar now. But everything else, it's pristine saw. Obviously, other than cosmetically. It's had a new jug put on there. Original exhaust, sort of shows you the hours. Had a new handlebar fitted. Obviously, put a better starter on it because the old ones are shit. Turn it around. 20-inch titanium pro tip. On a husky chain, funny enough. I actually like the husky chains better than the STIHL. Always, fucking a bit dirty. Always run STIHL HDs. Best filter on the market. No, you're just getting a knockoff one. Just doesn't do you the favour. Kills your saw in the end of the day. Yeah, obviously different jug. Just shave a little bit off the shroud just to get it to fit. Decomp. Yeah, I'll start it up. It hasn't been started since June last year, a bit before that, so it might take a little bit, might not. I don't know, we'll see. I'll let you know. That's cool. Jack, righto. Jack. Mate, it's inevitable that the dog's gonna bark on this.
Yeah.